All right, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Look where we are. Here's the frame of the little loafer. Okay. So I took all the measurements on the floor. They actually had oak here, and they had a big oak piece here, and then another oak piece there, and that was the floor structure. And I'm going to replace it with probably some aluminum. And then just put it back together. I saved all the metal. I took all the measurements of the floor. Here's the tires. These tires are going to be taken off the rim. The rims are going to be sandblasted and painted. But I'd love to get some old bias plies again. I don't even know if you can get these tires anymore. Pretty cool. But anyways, update. So this is what we're up to now. What we're going to do is we're going to use this brush and that brush, obviously safety gear. And I'm just going to do a quick once over on the frame. Nothing too crazy. Okay, just kind of clean everything up. Get all just scratch, just nothing too crazy. I'm going to concentrate myself a little bit more in this area because this is the tongue area that's exposed once the trailer's done. So I'll probably spend a little bit more time, nothing too crazy, but the idea is spray it with something like it. Just basically turns rust to primer. And then you can carry on. Maybe it's some enamel or something. But nothing too crazy. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys an update. Keep watching. And send me some feedback. I need some inspiration. I'd be happy to keep making videos. But I need to know. But check it out. Little loafer trailer. Peace.